we're gonna be trading. The market opens in 3 minutes. A little bit less. I want to go short here. Joining the NQ. Right. Stop here. Bit of tick away. The reason we're going short is we got this level here. Oh, we're in the range. That was tricky. Very tricky. I think one tower does not recognize missions, I believe. Yeah. No, see this account. Which account did I trade on? Oh, let's move to break even. Just a tick away. It's a bit risky. Break even. I might get stopped here. Probably wait. 37 seconds. Let's reduce that. I don't even know what I'm looking at the volume. I don't trade the volume over, guys. I could keep it and see what happens. I don't like that it's holding. It's holding into a, damn it, hold. Oh, I'm gonna get stopped. For real? Fortunate. I believe one of those thing 21 ticks. Market opens in a minute. Let's try and be safe. Not do anything crazy. Yeah, I believe we don't make it P&L over this. Oh, I'm trading count 4. It's good. That's the account I want to grow. -4. Alright, no problem. Yeah. Just wait for the open. Oh, we're still at 15 minutes. Weird. That 15 minute is pretty bearish. Even though that seems to be holding. Market opens in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! We can see the fight starting. Alright. Stay in place. Thank God I'm not in a position. That would be so annoying to be in a position here. So many different options. So this is not gonna hold. If we break again, I feel like going stop here, short. There's a risk, because then my stop loss is gonna be here. That's 4 points. Fine. I'm willing to take that risk. Even though, what's the argument? What's the bull argument? The bull argument is, that's the bull argument. It's going up. That's the bull argument. Even though there's a potential here for shorts. Yeah, that was the bull argument. Absolutely. Okay, let's see. We got, how did I get, fuck, I got it on the other accounts. I think, right? Yeah, I got it on this account. Not confusing at all. Confusing myself and confusing everybody. Stop should be here. This, put it tick below. That's the problem of trading the, that's the 21 ticks though? It's weird. I thought a 250 would look like this. Unless if it's a holiday today, and this is how holidays look like. Okay, this is good. It seems to be holding. I'm pretty fine with this. I should have added one more here. It seems to not be holding. We might have wanted to short at, let's see what we got here. Hope to sell for future. Yeah. Unfortunate. We take loss here. No problem. Let's make sure we're on the right accounts. That was a 3.5 point loss. Oopsie. Okay. Oh, $70. All right. I don't think that would hold. Oh, oh. Yeah, I should have kept that short. Let's go for a start of the leg. Long. Even though that's very interesting here. That's dangerous. That's very fucking dangerous. This should be the stop right here. I should probably drop to 21 ticks. Because training up to 21 ticks. Yeah. Stop loss. Straight to stop. Right. Alright. I don't know about this. I don't know if we about this. I think that's gonna go up. I don't think this would hold 6 hours. Anyway, let's still go on the stop. Give it a tick above. And we should reverse here. Okay. Don't need to reverse. Give me a break. Ah, fuck, break even. Oh, I don't have the shortcut for the break even. Fuck it. Sorry. That was 61.8. I need to work on that shortcut. Where's the break even? Break even shortcuts. What I'm used to. Alright, that's not gonna hold. This should have been a reversal, it was obvious. You want to stop here? Stop loss here. Because we're assuming there's still a bear trend. This was the first test of that. Yeah. Right. Unfortunate. Oh, let's wait for the second one. I think 21 ticks is a bit too fast. So go back to the minute. Where are we in the PNL? 5. Go back. I don't know what the hell. There it is. Alright. That's a mess. This should have been triggered long. Let's see what's going on here. Do I want to go long here? I think yes. I think I want to go long if this breaks the upside. If this breaks, I guess here. I'm trying to see our orders. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. There is a potential short here though. Okay. Oh, nice holding. Go short here. World awaits. This is not. This is 1, 2, 3. My hunch tells me we're facing. That's what we're probably trying to do here. Yeah. No, no, let's not cheat. Let's not cheat. Let's be calm. Let's be calm. That is indeed quite tricky. Yeah, I would have wanted to buy over here. It's trying to break this. That's what I'm seeing on the 21 ticks. It's trying to break. It's trying to build momentum above that. I think this is where my stop is. Where my stop is. Probably should put the stop here, but that would be a little bit aggressive. Oh no, actually the stop is exactly. Yeah, we might have bought literally. Oh, okay. Getting working with the count 5. I'm not sure how did this. Oh, it does show. That's why I like that. How does the 55 ticks look like? Boring. So we did get stopped here because we failed to go up. That's a bit. It's a bit dangerous. This. You know what I don't like? I just feel like I'm gambling. Well, you know what? Let's stick to the minute. That's what I thought I was gonna say in the very beginning. You know, we come to here. We have a. And not too thick. Oh, actually, it could be thick. Yeah, almost. Not even. Fortunately, this range is pretty small, so we're not eating a lot of losses. So any short should have gone here. That happened. I should stop time frame, like relax. It's been 10 minutes since the market is open. I know there's a lot of different entries that could have been taken. We had one pretty good short here, from here to here, like 6 points. Pretty nice. Back to one. I think that would be fun. Oh, where's my stop? Where's my fucking stop? I don't have a stop. I have a stop. Stop loss should be. Now, there's a conversation that says that this is. I don't know what the fuck's. Actually, I know. Hold on. Positions. I need to stop changing the settings. This is so annoying. This would happen is 61.8. Yeah, we got a 61.8 and then a 61.8 again. What's a bit frustrating in this area is that, you know, okay, it stopped here, but we're just going in circles. I should be very careful about my next positioning because this is the best way of losing money. And that 50-minute candle is what it is. It is what it is, my friend. Okay. The minute here is confusing. Is that the open? Yeah, I think that was the top should be here. Because if that works, this has actually held and it wants to go up. But then I would be buying the breakout of the range. That's essentially what I'm saying that would happen. I want to keep it above this. And I'm playing one more argument. I'm playing the argument that this 21 EMA is I want to add at it. The counter argument is that it was already kind of tested with this guy, but it wasn't touched. The argument for this is essentially the long trend, like the 50 minutes. I think this is still going down. still is there room for it to go down? Okay, I'm gonna put it this way, and that's risky, that's dangerous. I'm gonna say that the beginning of the session is 17 points. I'm gonna take my losses. 17 points is, I don't know, 300. That is reached, then unfortunately, work is done for the day. That'll be a losing session. Finding it a bit hard to read what we're doing here. Going in circles, spread 5. It's slowing down. It's slowing down. But it's building higher highs, stopping here. So my only salvation is if we do break this line. That's really it. I'm in a bad spot here. Can't short there because it's already tested. Going in circles. Count is already down 124. Fortunate. Okay. Now let's pray. Wait, did it just touch the moving average? Touched it. What a 74.5. What was the high here? 25. Good tick away. I don't feel comfortable about what I'm doing here. Keep on saying I don't feel comfortable. I could take a $75 loss right now with the next trade, or essentially risk this happening. Alright. More bullets. Correct. It always seems obvious in fact. So this stopped here and it tried to. This was a 69 actually. Yeah. I feel if it was just taking 1 minute, fuck around like I did. Seems to wants to go down here, test this, maybe this. Go back to our minute chart. Yeah. I've gone long here. This should have been my only trade of the day. And maybe with the short. This stop. Actually, even that would have been fine. That would have been fine, yeah. Okay, I like how the momentum seems slowing down. That's a weird looking candle. Argue potential of that. Potential uptrend. I can't say the downtrend is strong because great way of looking. Now, I like this here. I feel like I want to short add. I'd be adding a lot. I added here, I added here. The argument for adding here is, yeah. If I add here, I cannot add these. This was already touched. Fortunately, it did not get filled. Add some line. Okay, we filled. How bad was the fill? Bad. Add this here. Five. It's not taking account. How many? Yeah, I need to ask these guys how to add a. I'm thinking of moving my stop to here and calling it a day. Unfortunately, the problem of doing this is that there's a chance for a second test. Is today? I think today is a holiday. Why I'm getting wrecked. Not wrecked. It's like the market is barely moving. I don't even know what the holiday is. So wait, you're gonna tell me that my first short was here? Huh. I always seem to be shorting at like really beautiful looking location. Oh my god. Sure, I'm shorting on this. Um, where's the reload zone? That was also the reload zone. I had something in the reload zone. What I'm hoping to see here is that this was so massive, like such a gap, that it just had to be filled. And because we have the two moving averages, that the trend is actually still downwards. This failed to break the upside. That's what I'm hoping for. But this moving average is also going up, so let's just put a stop loss here. Push it. That would mean the big loss at that stage, I believe. This is 200. I don't know if this is below the. Oh, that would be 700. Big loss. Should have paid attention back to all of this. Kind of boring to trade with. I also should pay attention to the candle. Yeah, that's not gonna. 21 tick says there's more upside. And Oh well. To retrace, I'll go along here. What if I were to switch the M and Q? You know what? Let's have some fun. And switch the M and try and scalp. Still do that. Alright. 6. Oh. That looks horrible. Oh, nice. Very nice. 3. On the sand. Is it? This breaks? Yeah, we're fucked. Why does it look like this? Let's stop. Not stop. I think it will just go to the tip here. And it might reverse from there. Yeah. I think it's gonna do that. Okay, we're not even getting filled. Wow. I've paid attention to the fact that this was a holiday. Not even getting filled. Wow. Yeah. Good luck with that. Got stopped here. Unfortunately. Whoa. I think I'm longing when I should not be going long. This be holding over here. And the only payback is gonna be 50 bucks. I'm gonna do something that I should not be doing. And is that. Waiting for this. Uh-huh. Quite interesting. went on a 61.8 here. Catch 61.8. Because we have an RSI here, and take this fib, 1%, you see action. Action option. Thank. Yeah, should have been here. Damn. That's quite unfortunate. I feel like the mistake again here was, you remember I said earlier I could lose 70 or more and end up losing much more. And so I should get pessimistic the moment I am in red and stay optimistic the moment I am in green. I think those are lessons that needs to be learned as far as I'm concerned. I'd like to go long here, but it's not viable because this area was not getting yet. Even though there's still potential for one more, a third leg up. Yeah. There is always potential. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like this first green candle followed by a red candle. It means that it tried to go up, but it failed. Now it's like closing it. Now it's closing above it. Now it's dancing. It's fucking annoying me. Fucking my brains off. 50% retrace. I lose. Where's the account at? Auto liquidate. Minus 1,000. There we go. You trusted the trend. Why we trust the trend? And now, the moment you decide to trust the trend, it just goes to you. That's how things are supposed to. Oh, it only fills me with one. Okay. Not bad. Needs to break this, please. Yeah. Mm-mm. What I want to do for the rest of the session is switch to 1 minute charts. Try and be more calm. More reasonable trades. This should have potential long, but because I was in my shorts here, and I refuse to see that there's a long. Normally this short should have been stopped here first, and it should have gone all the way instead of up to 10 points, with 30 points in total. We should have made those 30 points. So maybe I would have lost 7 here, and maybe lost here, and here, maybe 10, but results 8 all the way to more than 30. So we are starting to see maybe some potential here. I believe I stick just a minute and I stop being so aggressive, then things might get calmer. Now that's an interesting area. Just trying to fish for this high over here. I'm not gonna go limit the high, a little aggressive. That I wanna go short here, and this is my objective. Cool. Take profit. High. Now we are going against the trend, so we want to be very careful. This is an interesting objective because we have that, we have the average. We already saw that way I went. This is also this that could hold again from here, so we can see double top of it. That happens to be not so far from where the moving average is. So it's this low. Guys. Yeah. I feel this is a great area to take profit. And probably break even now. That gained, yeah. I think fine to break even. Break even is here, this gains, problem. I'd like to see this broken. The area of interest. Let's see how we react with it. After this I can go pee. 89 is holding. This is holding. Which means there's a chance. Oh, actually there's a chance for this to be tagged. This is one of those areas where you gotta think. You gotta think, you gotta think. Yeah. Oh, that was this. Okay, beautiful. Oh, beautiful. It's gonna be yo-yoing now anyway. This is reload zone of the range. Oh, reload zone already touched that. Okay, so never mind. It was kind of that. And if I'm not mistaken, correct. One portion already touched. Now this tried to react. Now it seems to be failing. Now it seems to be holding it. Wick off, taking out. As far as we are concerned, we can't keep the stock for short over here. We can't move anywhere else. Yeah, now we're stuck. That's the risk of going against the trend. We're gonna have. On the other hand, this seems to be fine. Yeah. Now with the small retrace, what could be an interesting thing to see? I don't know why I keep on thinking that this would be reversing and going to the downside. This is ridiculous. It doesn't have to reverse. It doesn't have to go down. Remove. That was fine. Nothing wrong about this trade. Fine with. I don't think there's any argument of taking more profit. This would have been the objective, sure. Now the question is this gonna give us a? I don't even know if it's reasonable to ask for it over there. 1, 2. All right, I'm gonna put an objective. I'm trying to. We need to stick to the minute. Obviously, not doing that. Actually, I think the problem of this is that this was not where I put my entry. This was essentially stock markets, and it was just huge slippage, unfortunately. Um, I wonder if there's any way changing this. Uh, Order entry. No. Say you. I'm trying to debate also in my mind if one tower is currently better. Front. Oh, I think I don't even this. This? Yes. Oh. Oh. Stop limits. I need to figure out if there's a shortcut for stop limit. That'll be quite useful. Oh. I'll go for a quick short here. I mean, for the short is that this area stopping like that. And the doji. Zadoji. I don't know how much potential there is for that trade though. Might want to go to here, but that's it. Yeah, seems to be a good idea. Good. I could put my limit there. Take profit. So 89 is being touched, tagged, but I don't see. I could always hold, of course. I can do whatever the hell I want, but it was already tested one time. And if you were going long, this would have been. Yeah. I should have been careful about my short here and went for a first test of being so aggressive. Yes. Being short here. I've seen these guys and been pessimistic. Yeah. What am I trying to see here that should make me pessimistic? Okay. Seeing this curve over here. What I want to see, or otherwise I not want. Yeah. Okay. Breaking. That is good. Wait. Take profit. Here. Again, not good. Not good. Debatable. Okay, we got stopped. I don't think I'm. I think I lost this one. Something's telling me I should go. I want to try and go long. I'm wondering to what extent I am revenge trading at that stage. What I like is that the 21 EMA is at this bottom. That guy is this. I mean, there's a world where actually outrange. Good, we just stopped it here. And again, we're just losing a tick or two. Oh. There's a holiday today, right? Okay. Nothing to speak, eh? January 18, Martin Luther King. Okay, I should keep track of those days then. Washington's birthday. Oh. Oh. Did I really want to get filled here though? Ah, yes. Yes, I want. Because that's the EMA. We're just following the rules at that stage. I gotta say, I'm scared. Oh, no, I'm pretty happy. I am pretty happy. In the reaction. But there's a risk. There's a risk here, boys. That is very nice. If this closes like this, When you got filled with one? Oh. Oh my god, this is so fucking frustrating. So, what happened is that because I put the trade from here, this one only has a quantity of one. Okay. Careful about this when I'm putting trays on another platform, another chart. Okay, we got a nice reaction here. I like that. Now this trade is good. Even that short here is here. It wasn't bad. It was pretty good. It should have at least gotten us a little bit of a win. I think I should be more 25-point man. Like that's what did I do? I did something here. We will most likely get stopped. Lower high, lower high. It stops here. If this is going to hold, we need to see an aggressive reaction, not something like that. This is a joke. But I still think, since we're here, let's try and play it conservative. Let's just put a stop here, like it's supposed to be. Okay? Something tells me not good. Time to see crossover, we start to see reaction. What's the 5 minutes? Mm-hmm. To be fair, there's not a lot of volatility today, and despite that, we are down $1,000. Very instructional. I'm starting to notice one of the mistakes I'm doing is that I'm letting losers become too big. My winners are pretty small, so it doesn't really make it up. Instead, maybe what I want to look for is, yeah, that doesn't mean anything. So there's this nice, got this guy. What's, I don't know, it's my playlist. Trading psychology. This one here. He says something at some point about I'm not sure, but like, do watch this video. At some point, he says that if traders could be more pessimistic with the losing trades and more optimistic with their winning trades, then that could make all the difference. I'm not sure about this. Sure about this at all. I don't know how I feel about that. So normally, if I kept my stop at break even, we would be out of the trade right now. But because we did this, and our stop is right here, we're still in the trade. So there's a chance that this just that. Oh, how sad it is that we only are one contract. I could have added two. The literally a stop. I think though this one is good. I'm thinking if we do stop, I mean, I like this rectangle. I really like this rectangle. I think this is very bullish. Coming into here, doing an actual rectangle holding like that, and holding at it. I think that's pretty good. Maybe it's not necessarily a question of rectangle as much as like this. This support is holding. Might be proven wrong though. Good enough. And this might actually be a triangle that doesn't want to go to the upside. And if it decides not to go to the upside, then I think I'll go P and not take any more trades, given that today was Mr. Martin Luther King's, right? No, Martin Luther, yeah, Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Was there a senior? I don't know. Seems like a question. Martin Luther King. Jr. Right. I guess. Okay, that is what it is. There seems to be some accumulation. I'm curious about volume. No volume at all. I thought this one was more like that, wouldn't it? Yeah, this is some funny price action. Sure. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Not so my hunch is um ooh, that's a very nice hourly chart. I feel like I wanna stick to this. I don't wanna drop this one right now, right yet. The math. So what I did, I took the low, and I took the high because we have one leg. Like, okay, if you actually take this one leg, you get literally do the tick, almost. So I took this leg from here, here, and I took the slow because if you remember on the 21 ticks we saw here, those guys, that's exactly what it did. It came up, it reversed to 21, and then went up. Actually, never even touched it. This should have been multiple entries. Yeah, I need to start training myself to just exit fast, and then on those re-entries, just do some more re-entry. Okay, and so when we take this, it takes us to like two. So essentially A B, kind of A B, and here, not bad. I feel here at some moment we're gonna have to see something explosive going on. This hourly candle is it's pretty bullish. We're coming out of this. This is on the 5 hour. This was actually this area here, and it's holding. The 5 hour tells us we have at least objective here. That is fair. Wow. Hard to stick to this. 53 points. I don't think I made back the losses from today with 53 points, but it's a possibility. What if I were to do that? You know what? For the fun of it, say we got a take profit right there. I don't even need to wait for it. Oh my god. There we go. Maybe now we could start doing some proper trading. This holds. This seems to be holding. This did hold. But we also seem to be on the downtrend right now. Okay, took this one. Wow, that was so fucking dangerous. I mean, that is so fucking dangerous. All of this poetry I've been writing, it's just leading nowhere. Why is this like that? And of course, I'm adding to the loser. Go figure. Why do I have a feeling that instead of actually having a good day today, I'm going to make sure that I blow the accounts again. There is some room. So I should have used this as a sign. Okay. That something is not going to work. And instead, correction. Put a stop here. $61 is on paper holding. There's always a chance of it not holding. That started just very chance. Or not. This might be the next objective for the bears. Pretty tempted to close here. That is objective bears. Sure what to do here. I want to be greedy. I don't want to close the short. The long, sorry, because I want to have some potential, but then I'm risking this against short term option. Here there's nothing fully failing completely. Well, my only salvation is this going up. Oh, the buy stop. Oh, that actually is my break even. And again, God damn it. There's absolutely nothing bullish about this. I haven't even finished saying my sentence. I hope that's not a second test of the 89. Now here's where trading is so psychotic. You see this? Does this look familiar? Does this look familiar? The question to you is going to be now, is it going to behave like that? Or is it going to behave like one leg, two leg down, coming all the way down to here and blowing us on the way? That is the question. Added my break even. Lovely. I'm gonna have one more contract added somewhere. I feel like gambling some more. Now my only this and this only potential. This is a range. Going to the 61.8 of the range. Trap is right here. All right. 1.8, and it wants to break up. Okay. So are we having the same fucking scenario right now? I'm angry. Waiting for the reaction to this, even though I don't know, man. I don't really. 61 it did on gap. Good. Okay, now we want to see this just going up and not looking back. Otherwise, we're in deep shit. Let's just try and be conservative. Okay, let's make it easy for tomorrow. Move the stop to here. Come on, I want to see you gaining some momentum. Come on. Yeah. That's not what I call gaining some momentum. That's much better. That's not good. That's confusing. It's still nice. It's still nice. I think, yeah, it's actually very nice. Let's break even. There's no reason. If it does return, it would be returning to here, right? This is where we had the second entry, and it should be at this stage. I'm betting for that. Oh, where's this? Betting for this was tested on. I'm arguing you. No, no, actually, yeah, yeah. That wasn't so bad. Now, what I'm praying for is not a candle like that. Not at all. This is. There's a risk that this is actually. Please hold. Please. Yes. At that stage, I feel like I'm gambling. I'm not actually properly trading. I should lock in a little bit more profits. This should not. This is if this is double top, gain it. All right. Just so what I'm hoping for here. Here was how I'm gonna trail this. I'll still keep my limit here as an OCO. That's fine. Okay, good. This is pretty good. This means that this is actually trailing at that stage. Maybe here. Okay. Now this is gain. It's fine. Lovely. Oh my god. I don't like you. There's so much more potential here. Can be in the green. Okay, you know what's interesting? If you look at this, if I was just being very fucking patient, instead of buying here and adding here and essentially spending 5 minutes, whatever, I could have simply waited for this and just bought right here. Oh, why do I still have to stop here? What the hell? Went all the way to the highs. Okay. I'll take a break. It's been an hour since the open. I think I'll take a break, go pee. Do workout, relax a little bit. What I'm thinking is that this was second trade was lucky, very lucky. The first trade did not need to do so much. I think I was forcing trades, forcing when I seriously did not even there. Yeah, I could have made another point. Oh, like 17 points, not as effective. Yeah, I still told you when you look at the hourly, there was still like some room for it to go up. Like fucking. I'm actually curious. I want to do something. I want to apply the same technique that I said I would apply. Okay. I said, now, I did say that when there's such a big potential, take one back. Because the range here is big. It doesn't need to be big the number of points, it just looks big. My stop is here once we're built. If we're, I would want to be careful. Which is similar to having a yeah. Starting to feel decision fatigue kicking in. Take a break. How's it up? Oh, yeah, it is up. I think the stop should be here and this should be reversal. Oops, sorry. Yeah. All right, I'll just call this a trade. 160 in the red. I mean, that's not necessarily a bad thing. Learning is more important. But that's the first time that we draw down a lot, and on top of the drawdown, you back. The trades here were clean. Nothing to complain about really. They were nice. That's exactly what should have been happening. This should have been manage differently. Sure. All right, take a break. So that being said, yeah, in the next